Ever wondered what makes BBQ ribs so irresistibly delicious? Well, it's not just about slapping some meat on a grill. It's a symphony of flavors, a dance of heat and smoke. It's about the right recipe, the perfect technique, and the patience to let the magic happen. And when it all comes together, the result is nothing short of a culinary masterpiece. Intrigued? Good, because we're about to embark on a journey to BBQ rib paradise. Stay tuned as we unravel the secret to mouth-watering BBQ ribs. The journey to perfect BBQ ribs begins at the butcher's shop. The key here is knowing your ribs. Baby back ribs are smaller, leaner, and quicker to cook, while spare ribs, larger and meatier, offer a richer flavor. St. Louis-style ribs are a neat rectangular cut from the spare rib, ideal for even cooking. Whichever you choose, quality matters. Look for ribs with good marbling and avoid those that are frozen or have discolored spots. Now that we have our ribs, it's time to prepare them for the grill. A masterpiece requires a well-prepared canvas. The same applies to our ribs. Now that we've selected the perfect rack, it's time to get them ready for the grill. The preparation process is crucial in achieving tender, flavorful ribs. First off, we need to remove the membrane, that thin layer of tissue on the bone side of the rack. It's a bit tricky, but well worth the effort. By removing it, we allow our seasonings to penetrate deeper into the meat, enhancing the flavor. Next, we apply a dry rub. This mixture of spices and seasonings gives the ribs their signature taste. Rub it in generously, making sure every inch of the rib rack is well coated. Lastly, we let the ribs rest. This step allows the flavors to seep in, making every bite a burst of goodness. Remember, patience is key in this process. The longer you let it sit, the better the flavor will be. With our ribs prepped, it's time to fire up the grill. The grill is hot and our ribs are ready. Let the magic begin. Grilling ribs isn't just about slapping meat on a hot surface. It's an art form, a dance of heat and flavor. You see, controlling the temperature is key to getting that perfect char. You want a steady medium heat. Too hot and the ribs will burn, too cold and they won't cook evenly. Now on to timing. This isn't a race, folks. Good things come to those who wait. You'll want to grill these beauties for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the thickness. Rotate them every 20 minutes or so to ensure even cooking. And remember, patience is your friend here. Don't rush the process. The ribs need time to soak up all that smoky goodness. Take a step back, enjoy the sizzle, and let the grill do its job. And there we have it, perfectly grilled BBQ ribs. The aroma of grilled ribs is in the air. It's time to dig in. What a journey it's been! From the mystery of mastering the perfect BBQ ribs to the final product, let's take a moment to appreciate the steps we've taken. First, we demystified the types of ribs, understanding the unique characteristics each one brings to the table. Then we dove into the essential preparation process, where we learned that patience and attention to detail are key. We trimmed, seasoned, and marinated, allowing the flavors to permeate every inch of the meat. Next came the grilling, a delicate dance of heat and timing. We watched as the ribs transformed under the steady heat, the sugars caramelizing and the meat tenderizing to perfection. With each step, we've seen how dedication and precision can elevate our BBQ game. I encourage you all to try this method to taste the difference that attention to detail makes. Remember, the secret to perfect BBQ ribs is in the details. Happy grilling!